On July 24th, contractors will begin reconfiguring the north and southbound lanes of Wellborn Road at the intersection of Old College Road and F&B Road. As a part of the traffic improvements, designated lanes will be established for left turn only, right turn only, and through traffic both north and southbound on Wellborn Road. Please expect alternate lane closures throughout the project, but weather permitting, the project should be complete by August 14th. For construction maps and additional details, please visit www.bryantx.gov.